OneDrive comes with free Microsoft 365 starter version. So when you start for your OneDrive account, you have access to Office 365 apps, but the starter version. What this means is that some functionality or the premium version, the commands that the premium version have, you will not have access to all of them, but at least it will help you to create a file in OneDrive. You simply make sure that none of your folders or files are selected. So when you deselect all of them, all your files and folders, you point to new and select the app you want to use to create a file. You can use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. You can create a form or plain text. Any of the application you choose will open a new tab. One have the freedom to create the app. For example, if you are working with workbook or Excel, you can begin to create your workbook by typing in your numbers. If you're working with Microsoft Word, you can begin to type in your customize it the way you want, just like you work with Microsoft Word, your desktop. When you are done, you don't have to save it because automatically OneDrive saves it for you in OneDrive. However, OneDrive will save your documents with document 1 if you're working with Microsoft Word, book 1 or 2 are the number of the Excel apps you have opened, or presentation 1 or 2. But you will be given the privilege to rename your file, because I opened the file named document 1, which can be located in my OneDrive file as document 1. Also presentation 2. Now what I need to do is to rename it so that I can be able to locate my file in accordance with what is in my file. So to rename my file, you go to File, Save As, you select Rename. Your rename dialog, you delete for and choose a name for your file. File notice, and you click OK. Name will automatically change from document 1 to the name you give your file. You can also do other things within the Save As menu. Here you have the option to download a copy of your file. You can download your Microsoft Word, which will work in your desktop device. You can download the file as a PDF or ET. You can also decide to change the location of your file within OneDrive. Here, all you need to do is to save a copy of your file in a different folder. There is no present folder. To do, you select Save and wait for OneDrive to open up the Save As dialog box. When the Save As dialog box appears, you have the option to select a particular folder where you want to save a copy of. Let's take for here I have 3 folders and my personal vault. Now I can decide to save it in documents, my folder, or pictures, or thereabout save it in my personal vault for security purposes. Now I can decide to create a new folder by clicking on new folder. In this case, if I create a new folder, let me say my folder 2 and click create, I can now save my file in this second folder. However, if I didn't create a new folder, I can choose to save it in documents, and I will save. Then the file that I so created will now be saved in documents, and I have a copy in OneDrive storage and a copy of the file in documents. That's how you create a file in. If you have any question, you